mayhem, panic, and chaos. Putin's fury scorching Ukraine again 229 days into the invasion. Russian missile strikes pummeling Ukraine and its capital Kyiv at the forefront of this fresh escalation.
The Russia fired 83 missiles. 43 of them were disabled and destroyed by Air Defense Forces of Ukraine. But 43 striked a lot of different cities of Ukraine.
Тому що я щойно побачила, як летить ракета, і я почула це.
This amateur video of a civilian captures the blasts in Kyiv with all its devastating effect. A playground for children, residential buildings, bridges and highways in the heart of the Ukrainian capital, all turned to dust by this renewed Russian onslaught. Coming just days after a big attack on a Russian-controlled bridge in Crimea. Civilians were seen taking shelter in underground metro and railway stations. Ukraine's president and commander-in-chief on the streets of war-battered Kyiv in war fatigues, hitting out at these attacks, calling them an act of terrorism by Putin's forces.
The morning is difficult. We are dealing with terrorists, dozens of missiles, Iranian shaheeds. They have two targets: energy facilities throughout the country, Kyiv region and Khmelnytsky region. They want to destroy our energy system. They are hopeless. The second target is people. Such a time and such targets were specially chosen to cause as much damage as possible. Stay in shelters today. Always follow the safety rules. And always remember, Ukraine was before this enemy appeared. Ukraine will be after them.
Russia has been using this sham pollings and sham referenda, so to say, in order to proclaim that it has some military gains. And at the same time, it has been experiencing in all four regions military defeats. And that's why Russia is going crazy and is trying to tear all the population through this rocket attacks.
The fresh onslaught in the spotlight after the vital Crimea bridge connecting the annexed region with Russian mainland was destroyed in a mystery blast. Russian President Putin has accused Ukraine and President Zelensky of targeting the bridge and unleashing what he calls acts of terror.
As you just reported, there is no doubt it was a terrorist act directed at the destruction of critically important civilian infrastructure of Russian Federation, and the authors, perpetrators, and those who ordered it are the special services of Ukraine.
The attacks make one thing clear. 229 days later, the war and reign of devastation has still not ended for Ukraine. With Sehri Marenkov in Kyiv, Ukraine, Bureau Report, India Today. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.